So hi guys, let's eat polo pao because it's Friday, so may discount ang King's Bakery dun sa baba lang ng market dito sa amin. And then I want to introduce to you this polo pao. So polo means pineapple and pao means bun. So in English, it's pineapple bun. So we have two kinds of polo pao here, which is this one is red bean and this one is ano siya, may raisin. So it's this there are many kinds of polo pao that they serve. At the traditional one is yung walang palaman. So ano lang siya, bun lang siya, tapos may polo sa